Hello, really quick. This is going to be some tips for taking out your starter in a 2008 Honda Fit. This should work for a lot of other models, specifically the GD3. But I'm not going to be showing any in-depth stuff. I just finished and it works. So I just want to give you some tips that help me a lot. Number one, taking out the lower intake manifold does really help. It makes it very easy. I could not figure out how to get any of like the joint bolts, like the joint attachment for a ratchet to work. So taking off this lower intake manifold allowed for me to just use this wrench with a little bit of I just had a Pittsburgh wobble extender, which allowed me to get it in there, and just a little bit of elbow grease, was able to pull it up and get the top bolt off of the starter very easily. Then one of your biggest arch nemesis is going to be, here's the old starter, getting this plug in. It's very difficult. Everybody says wait for a click. I never heard a click getting it in, right? You're doing it blind the whole time. I recommend using your camera with the flash going up underneath the vehicle, right? If you use your flash to get up here and look at how it is, see if it's seated correctly, it seats a lot deeper than you think it does. For instance, right, if you look here on this starter, you can see where the dust settles, right? It goes that far on it. It kept getting stuck about right here, and I thought it was enough for me, and it wouldn't turn on. Your whole starter won't even activate unless it's on and seated fully. So get a bit of elbow grease. You got to wiggle it around a lot, right? Like I was kind of putting my whole body into it, like up and down, putting it on. From the bottom, I had the most leverage though, so I recommend doing it from up and below. Those are my biggest tips though. Be persistent. Don't take these bolts off. Those are not what you're looking for. I stripped this one doing that. And also when you're taking the lower intake manifold off, there's a secret bolt behind here. You can't really see it, but it's right under there. It's not too hard to get to. Taking the manifold off is just time consuming. It's not hard. It made the job a lot easier and gave me a lot more room to work with. So those are my tips. Hopefully that helps a little bit. I've been here for 4 days. It's taken so many hours. You're in for hell. Going into this is walking down the stairs of hell. So good luck. Low key, maybe just pay a guy to do it unless you're cheap. So good luck on getting this done. There's not a lot of help online. You just kind of got to figure it out. So I wish you luck.